Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the importing companies in the Bitrix24, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of importing the bulk companies at one time in Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. For importing companies in Bitrix24, first we need to go to the CRM. In CRM, we have the customer option. In customer, we have the companies option. By clicking on the right hand side setting icon, here we will get the option of importing companies. By clicking on the importing companies, first you just need to add the file format which you have in Excel. You just need to convert that file format in the CSV format. In the data file encoding, you just need to add this as a ASCII, and column separator you put it as a comma. Once you add all this information and click on the next, here you need to map all your fields with the Bitrix24. So the fields which is shown in the left hand side are the fields which is available in the Bitrix, and in the right hand side you will able to map that data with the Bitrix fields. So by clicking on the next, you will able to select the options, that is the import all companies, replace the existing, merge or skip. You just need to click on import all, and when you click on the set, here you will see the company are imported successfully. So this is the company which we imported, and here we will get all the relevant information of that company along with the email ID, industry and the company name. So this is how you will be able to add the companies in the Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.